You've been told that the stars are our destiny, but the cold truth is that humanity is currently serving a life sentence inside a celestial cage. We are physically marooned behind a lethal wall of interstellar dust and crushing gravity that we simply cannot escape. Is the Milky Way our cradle, or is it actually a permanent cosmic prison? Take a look at our galaxy from the side. The Milky Way is a flattened disk of stars, gas, and dust, roughly 100,000 light-years across, but only 1,000 light-years thick. We live inside this dense disk, and while we dream of voyages into deep intergalactic space, every physical law of our universe is conspiring to keep us locked right where we are. Our location inside the galactic disk creates a permanent cosmic blind spot known as the Zone of Obscuration. Dense clouds of interstellar dust absorb visible light, blocking our view of nearly 20% of the surrounding universe. The very materials required to create stars, planets, and life now act as a sensory shroud. We are floating inside a dense fog, completely blind to potential cosmic threats or civilizations lurking just beyond the haze. To leave our galaxy, humanity cannot simply fly sideways. We must break through the vertical ceiling of the disk. But escaping the Milky Way requires climbing out of a colossal gravitational potential well generated by billions of stars and a massive dark matter halo. To maintain vertical escape velocity, a ship would need continuous thrust against the combined mass of an entire galaxy. Chemical rockets can't even dream of it. Without exotic propulsion that defies our current physics, gravity will always pull us back. Even if we built an engine powerful enough, the environment itself is violently hostile. Beyond our Sun's protective heliosphere lies a chaotic sea of high-energy galactic cosmic rays and microscopic interstellar debris. At the edges of the galactic disk, radiation levels spike dramatically. Without planetary magnetic fields or solar shielding, high-energy protons would instantly shred human DNA and destroy electronic microcircuits. To cross this barrier, we need field generators that currently exist only in pure mathematics. As a ship approaches the boundary between the galactic plane and the intergalactic void, it enters an energetic desert. Starlight fades. Solar sails become useless. Hydrogen for ramjet propulsion thins out to near absolute nothingness. In this void, there are no stars to harvest, no solar energy to collect, and no raw materials to mine. Crossing into the intergalactic void is not an adventure. It is a one-way drift into a cold, thermal, dead zone. Then comes the barrier of time. Reaching the galactic halo, even at a fraction of the speed of light, takes tens of thousands of years. Due to time dilation and the sheer scale of space, any crew venturing toward the edge would become biological ghosts. Earth will evolve, change, or perish while they are in transit. By the time a ship reaches the boundary, the civilization that launched it may no longer exist. Perhaps the Milky Way was never meant to be a stepping stone to the cosmos. Perhaps it is our entire world. We are not trapped because the universe is cruel. We are trapped because life itself is a delicate anomaly born only within this chaotic protective disk. Our future may not lie among distant galaxies, but right here. inside the golden cage of our cosmic home.